You can earn hundreds of dollars with this website here that none of you have ever recognized before. All you would actually need to do is search YouTube, nothing more. There's no difficult work involved, nothing too complicated, and most greatly of all, this works and will get you paid huge time. But for that to happen, you require to make sure you watch every single second of this video, so you certainly know how to set this up correctly. If you become impatient and just skip ahead, you will get confused, won't know what to do, and in the climax you won't make any money at all. So you really want to keep watching for that reason, and also because I have an enormous game-changing bonus at the end of the video to share with you, one that will allow you to earn not hundreds, but thousands of dollars in passive income. And with all of that announced, dudes, let's now jump straight into this video. The main website we will be using today, the website you have also seen in the intro prior, is this one right here called wpdeveloper.com. By scrolling down a little bit, you'll be able to discover what is this website all about. It's a marketplace for WordPress. They build advanced WordPress products that will help your business grow, as is announced below. For those of you who maybe don't know what WordPress itself is, it's a content manager of sorts. It allows you to construct and host websites. And with that said, let's make something clear. No, you don't require a website for this. You don't require a business for this. And you will not be investing a single dollar into this website here. We will in fact be utilizing this platform to get paid. As such, since we will not be purchasing anything from this site, it's useless for me to cover all of its details. It'll make you dudes bored. You won't gain any valuable knowledge, and it'll just lengthen this video. So let's get to the point. What you require to do when you come onto this site is scroll down to the very bottom of the website, and you now wanna click on affiliate right here. Doing so will take you over to this page, and it's on here where you'll be able to recognize that this website will pay you up to 30% commissions per each and every purchase. Even though 30% isn't the highest commission rate you can find, it's really reasonably than average. Most sites I've come across offer no more than 20%, so it's fair to say this site will pay you very decently. Now this begs the question though, apart from the commissions, why do we want to promote this website? Well, one of the many motives is that your potential customers are business owners or soon-to-be business owners. When someone comes onto this site, it's obvious they want to build a website of sorts. That in turn means they have money to spare. In essence, your potential customers will all have big budgets, meaning that you will have no difficulty convincing them to pay this platform, and that is very important. The main reason though that promoting this site as an affiliate is good is a certain product they have to offer that you will want to promote in specific called Notification X, which you can see down below, and by clicking on it, you'll be able to see more info about it. Notification X is, as you can observe on this page, the best WordPress marketing plugin that will allow its users to skyrocket their business. In fact, by scrolling down a bit, you will be able to see that they claim that they will get people more than 20% increase in sales and engagement rates. Now this is quite enormous, guys. A 20% increase is a lot, to put it simply. Visualize someone making like $10,000 a month, and then they start using this tool and they start making $12,000 a month. It's a pretty big difference, and this is why I would suggest you guys promote Notification X yourselves. Even though you can promote any of these products and get paid, I would highly suggest you promote this one in specific. So you can start promoting anything, though you will require an account. And so what you wanna do on this page here is come back up a bit and then click on the Join Now button here. You will then require to enter in some personal info about yourself, your first name, unique username, email address for your account, your payment email address, and with all that done, you will see that they will ask for your website URL, and this needs some clarification. You don't require a website for this. You can actually paste your YouTube channel in this box, or YouTube itself. It won't matter either way. All you have to do is paste a website through which you intend to get traffic, and in our case I have two sites to demonstrate you, YouTube and a bonus tool. So you can paste directly either of the two in this box here. Ultimately what you have to do is type in here how you intend to promote them, and you can write in here plain and simple that you will be doing so through YouTube. When you are done with typing that in, just tick this box and then click on register below to create your new account. Once you have created your brand new account, you will now be eligible to snatch your affiliate link and promote Notification X, and of course get paid whenever someone makes a purchase. So let me now demonstrate you how to get traffic. As I said prior, I do have 2 sites to share with you, and I would suggest using both of them to get traffic so you can maximize your outcomes. As I said before, the very primary traffic source is YouTube, and what you will need to do on YouTube is simply type in keywords related to conversion rates and or sales. You will see why in a moment, but you just want to type in stuff along the lines of how to increase my conversion rate, how to get a higher conversion rate, how to increase my sales, easy way to get higher sales, and so on. You get the point. You will want to type that in. With that done, let me clarify why you are doing this. You see, every single person who created these types of videos didn't really get that many views, as you can see. The thing is though that every single person watching one of these videos, for example this one here, is interested in increasing their sales and conversion rates. In distinct words, these people you see in the comments here would for sure like a tool like Notification X to help them in growing their business. And when they see that they can receive 20% more sales with this tool, there is a high chance some of them will make a purchase. That makes them exact customers for us. What you will do, dudes, is contact all of these people in the comments section of all of the videos you can find on YouTube. Try to contact people who have left a comment somewhat newly, but if you want to, you can just contact anyone. What you can do is either go to the YouTube channel of the said person and try and find their email in the About section here. If it isn't visible, then just reply to their comment. If it is, you can just contact them via email. What you will say is practically something like this: will increase your sales by 20%, check it out. Or I found this awesome software that will increase your sales substantially, and so on. You will want to write something identical to that, and then leave your affiliate link. This process you will repeat, as I said, for all of these people in the comments section, and it's bound some of them will check out what you are promoting, and in case they make a purchase, and many of them will, you will get paid. However, what if you don't want to bother replying to all of those comments? After all, it would get boring after a while. Or what if you just want to increase your earnings with another traffic stream? Well, this tool you see on your screen right now is the perfect software for you, dudes. To give it a try, just click on the first link in the description. Not only will this make you far more money than YouTube and get you far more clicks on your affiliate link, but you will also actually not have to do any work at all. It's as simple as that. As you can see here, you can make almost $400 on a daily basis doing nearly no work at all. No complicated setup is involved, no experience or tech skills needed, and you will not be waiting around for results. As is said below, this will get you free autopilot traffic in 22 seconds without you ever worrying about getting traffic ever again, because believe it or not, this will get you clicks on any affiliate link out there, including one you got from WP Developer. There is a catch though. This is a paid software and it costs around $20 or so, but as an upside you can see they do offer a money back guarantee, and they will literally pay you $300 if this doesn't work. So they do remove the risks involved, or at least try to do so. If you want to check this out, and I do suggest it, once again it's the first link in the description. And that's it. If you're exploring ways to produce money online, and if you is the lover of similar content like this, take a look at my distinct videos, and if you love it, please break the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification horn. If you have additional questions, please feel independent to comment down below. Catch sight of you in the successive video.